Up first this evening, 2 women are in custody and the police are hunting another 3 for a gang-like attack that has left a 17-year-old battling for life in hospital. Police are warning persons harboring the other wanted women that they too can be charged. Giovanni Dennis has this primetime news follow-up.
17-year-old Kaylan Dowdy is still battling for life in hospital, beaten at a party for allegedly looking at another female patron in a way she didn't like. It's a story that has drawn public outrage, fueling the police to intensify the investigation. Now, 2 of the 5 women police say are responsible have been arrested. Superintendent Aaron Fletcher is head of the St. Andrew North Police.
As we speak now, at least 1 female has been arrested and taken into custody. In a matter of moments, we expect another one will be arriving. She is in transit now with her attorney, turning herself in connection with the matter. We would have made some effort today by way of some organized operations to apprehend all 5 suspects. However, as I said earlier, we only managed to apprehend 1. The other is on way, and there are 3 that remain at large.
He says police have been conducting multiple operations since early Friday to find the women who they say are in hiding. Police are still searching for Shamika McLeod, otherwise called Kima, Timon, otherwise called Rusty, and another woman known only as Yolande.
Given the nature of the injuries that were suffered by the young lady who is currently hospitalized, at this stage, the charge to be preferred would be one of wounding with intent. We are hoping that the young lady may recover from her injuries and not pass out. Right? However, God forbid, should she die, then the charges would be elevated to that of murder.
The police are also warning persons who may be harboring the 3 wanted women that they too can be charged.
What I'd want all and sundry to be aware of is the fact that these ladies who are involved in the fracas, in whom the police have an interest, they are now designated as wanted. Therefore, it is not advisable for anyone to accommodate or facilitate them. It is to be remembered that where a person is designated as wanted and where that person is found in the company of any other person, then those or that person is likely to be charged for harboring someone who is wanted.
A police team had shut off the party early Saturday evening, but promoters resumed after the police left. Superintendent Fletcher says steps are now being taken to charge the owner of the venue in Barbican St. Andrew where the party was kept.
We have not been able to establish who the promoter was, but I'm sure the property is owned or operated by someone. That person will be prosecuted. A matter of fact, we are well advanced in preparing documents to be served on the parties.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.